Hi, today we're going to talk about digital marketing expenses and understand how you can track your digital marketing expenses in one Notion template. Let me quickly turn off my webcam so that you get a view of the screen. And this is the particular template that I'm talking about. In this template, you can see we have got a category section on the top and then a summary section next to it. In the category section, we have got three different categories defined. And for every category, you can see there is a budget expense value and the actual expense value. And then there is a percentage indicator to showcase how much of budgeted expense has been spent so far. If you want to edit any of the category, click on this pencil icon and you can define your own category over here, which will also get updated at the table that you have at the bottom. And if you want to define the budgeted expense for a particular category, click on this amount over here and you can define the budgeted expense if you want to make any changes to this. And then the actual expenses are being pulled from the table at the bottom where you have added the expense and it is getting reflected at the top. We also have a percentage indicator as discussed earlier. And if you want to add a new category, click on this new page, a new category will add it. If you want to delete any category, click on this three dot and click on delete, the expense will be deleted. The particular category will be deleted. And finally, in the summary section, we have the budgeted expense value, which is nothing but the sum of all the budgeted expense defined. And then we have actual expense, which is getting pulled from the table at the bottom. The difference in between the both and the percentage indicator to show you how much of budgeted expense was spent so far. This template is a bare frame template which can be customized for your requirement if you need any customization for this. If you are in need of any customization, feel free to reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com and I'll be happy to assist you on this further. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.